Hello and good morning, everybody. This is just going to be a little clip before the video. It hit 1,000 the other day, and I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys so incredibly much because it means the literal whole entire world to me. I've been doing this for about 3 years now, and I literally can't even begin to explain like how happy this makes me, and like words there aren't words for how happy this makes me. It's a huge milestone. It's incredible. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for loving me and supporting me, and I love you guys so much. This is ridiculous. I just thank you a million times over. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Kendall, if you didn't already know, and if you didn't know, you should definitely click that little subscribe button that's right down below to enter my fun little family. Today I am going to be doing a fun little like Halloween-y makeup kind of thing. It is kind of like inspired by Tana Mongeau because she did a full face, let's see so I don't mess up the title. I think it's full face of makeup from YouTubers that you hate or people that you hate. I love Tana. And the look that she did in it is really cool. I'll insert a picture here. It was really cute and rainbowy. But I wanted to put like a little bit of a spin on it and add some fun face jewels. So that is what we're going to be doing. So forewarning, I'm not a beauty guru. I'm not a YouTuber. Like, I don't claim to know what I'm doing. I don't have any idea what I'm doing. Let's just get on into it. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna do like red, orange, yellow, purple, red, orange, yellow, blue, no, green, blue, purple. So we're just gonna go along for the ride. I found some Scotch tape. Wow, clap, clap, clap. Whoa. I'm already regretting this decision. It's gonna take so long. Okay. Don't you do it like this? Like this purple color. Oh, good God. Sure. We're gonna mix the lime green and the dark green together because the lime green looks yellow. Blending, blending, what do? We blend, blend, blend. Ho, 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 ho. Keep blending. Okay. Okay. I look like a clown. I'm already gonna say this is no good. Who do I think I am trying to create an eye look? We're not gonna use the same piece of tape because that would be gross, right? Just that we're using the same eyeshadow brush for every single color in this video, but I'm fine. It's fine. Does this look good to you? No? Because me either. Like, who let me do an eye look with this red color right here? I'm a YouTuber. Take my advice. The sound of like my eye gushing in there grosses me out. And we're gonna do our under eyes. Fun! My eye like feels like it's bleeding, but fun! Give me 2 seconds and I'll be right back with applied eyelashes. As it tries to focus. Okay, so I put lashes on, and I'm gonna be honest, like with lashes, it's not, I mean, like, it's not good, but it's also not terrible. It's like bad, you know, Shade No Lemonade. These colors are pretty pigmented for this palette being $9, and like with some eyelashes on, it's kind of cute. So maybe we will throw some face jewels on. Also, I got all of this stuff at Target, so actually, this is kind of cute. This is actually kind of working for me. This is actually kind of freaking cute. It's sitting right here for me. Wow! Okay, hold on. We should take pictures before red lipstick in case we hate it.
Okay, so you can kind of hear my kid neighbors. So I'm gonna be kind of quiet, but this is what it looks like. Okay. Whoa, the sun is really bright. I can't really keep my eyes open. Whoa. I literally can't even see in the viewfinder. I'm standing next to my pool with my camera in my hand. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. I can't see shit. Oh, that's hard. It's really hard.
If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. My lips are still red from that lipstick. Lip paint, excuse me. But yeah, no, I obviously suck at makeup. If you try and recreate this look or have ever done this look and successfully 10 times better than I am, because everybody will be, please tweet me or Instagram me or Snapchat me. I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. Sorry that I literally suck ass at makeup, and I hope you got a good giggle. I love you, and I will see you all next week with another video. Peace out.